And your purpose for entering the U.S.?
I'm here to find a bad American girlfriend and a green card.
Nationality?
Mexico, baby! Land of flavor like your cafeteria. Mexico! Don't touch my hot dog! Respect culture!
Whoa! Okay!
Do you speak English?
I speak English, Spanish, and better trash talk than you, compadre.
Look straight at the camera.
You're trying to bribe me? This ain't a model shoot, Hermano!
Nah, this bird is wild. You're now clear to enter.
I made it, cabrones! I'm legal now!